Hi everybody, it's Kirsty. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to attempt some gilding. Now I've never done this before, so this could be fantastic or it could be a total disaster. But we're going to have a go and we'll see how we get on. So this I bought for 20 quid at a local charity shop. This is it's actually a beautiful mirror and it's got some really beautiful features running around it. This is actually going to go in my sunroom once I've finished it. No pressure, Kirsty. It was mahogany or a dark wood colour originally, but I have put a few coats of paint of antique white on this. That was a tip that I got when I saw a video that Annie Sloan had produced recently about gilding. So I'm going to now sort of apply the gold size, which is basically an old word for glue. And once that's tacky, then we will put the gold leaf on it. So let's have a go and see how we get on. Okay, so this is a polyvine metal leaf size. Polyvine products are really quite good. So you basically have to apply this thinly and evenly. So I'm gonna put this all over the corner here just to do a bit of a trial run. You need to get it into all the cracks, all the little nooks, just so that the leaf has got something to adhere to when it sets. So you have to leave this for about 15 minutes. Okay, that's been 15 minutes now, so it's actually quite tacky now. So let's go ahead and put our first sheet on. So I'm using a kind of pointy headed brush here, just so I can get into all the nooks and crannies. And the good thing is apparently about this stuff is if it does break off like this, you can tuck it down, pat it on any holes. So let's just go ahead, peel that off, peel that bit off. Put you there. Get some more gold in a second. Just get all that down. Get another gold leaf. Just put that over the areas that it's not stuck down properly. The good thing about this is it doesn't matter if it's not perfect, because it all adds to the uniqueness of the piece. So I actually quite like the white coming through. Actually looks quite effective. I think I might prefer actually having it slightly imperfect than perfect. Let's see. I have almost finished this beautiful mirror, gilding it. However, there's bits that I want to touch up, which I've applied size to. I'm just waiting for that to set a little. But what I want to do is go around the edges around here with gold size, just so that I can apply a bit of gilding to the inside here where it's not caught. So that's my job right now. Okay, so that's the rest of the size added to the mirror. Just need to wait obviously 15 minutes for it to set and clean this brush, which is actually one that I've stolen from my son. It's actually really quite handy to have some of these little brushes because they do come in really useful when you need to do things like this. So having some little brushes as well as your big paint brushes is really a really good piece of kit.